This wall is literally coming right at us. It's gonna be upon us. This is the craziest thing I've seen. This is literally. I'm just like showing this. Yeah, because I'm like, I want to get engulfed by it.
Look at how dark that is. Oh my gosh, Bart, we're gonna die.
No, we're not. Still filming! This is the worst thing ever! I can come out! This is crazy! I'm literally in a wall of sand right now. I can't breathe. My hand. This is a documentary for the ages. This is what we're working at. As you see earlier. Hey, we got everything out there. Filming. We're still filming.
This is so.
My eyes are killing me.
Wow.
I can't see. Whoa! Hey, we're in here. Coach, we're in here.
Oh, really? Great. Should we call Jill?
Fuck yeah, we're stuck now.